ɔkyerɛkyerɛfo wɔyɛ family life educator ɔyɛ minister registered ɔyɛ ɛkyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ okunu aware for 35.5 years ɔyɛ onipa adɔyɛ ahyɛ ne ma da bia bɛhyia doctor bia ɔbɛkyɛ ɔpɛn mewɔ doctor pens bɛyɛ 20 gumi dan mu anɔpɛ watena so wɔse ɛyɛ na homete ɛkwan a wɔde gya yɛ gu so ɛkɔ soro no ɛyɛ na homete kyerɛ sɛ ɛdeɛ nti ne yɛbɛware na afei bɛduru baabi ɛsɛ wɔde gya yɛ aba ɛnka wadeɛ deɛ onu kunu no yere tena na ya afebo ene me say research am kenkan kyerɛ sɛ afi bia wade empem nan na egu 4,000 na egu adan na me bisa sɛ ɛya wade na egu ba ɛya wade fo no mu hu ɛnyoma bɛn na ebo ama wade egu na wade no gu wie so a ɛho wɔ hawo a ɛkɔfa ɛdeba enti mefa kwanye so na ma Mama me penifo akwa ba ma Joanna wa ma good morning.
Good morning me kwia.
Me pa che won pom te say.
Ya me adom me ho ye pa.
Papa ne kura no ho ye.
Erade adaroma.
E da Yesu ase.
Ho ye.
Ho afu.
Me da se me kwia papa bi.
What the district fo ho ye.
Eh, wo mo ho ye pa. Wo mo so mo chia.
Me di won so.
Ya le ken beautiful.
Me da se anti. E adom o, adom yi, adom. Wo be ya ma me nyum na ba so me ta boko. Dog pacho ho te say. Dog nso da bia no ya branti onyi nko na nimu asa dog nyi ba na chi bi sa no papa ho ye de
nyame adom
papa den na aba ma wani abre aye wa wura ho ye watete awade semu ay koso na wade giant ne sa ne omani nyina no em se nem de papa be sha se ma Joanna
no problem
say ade ne say oya council na ma hu mo na fe won se frefre no ni ade kuma so kra ye fre am so me de me ba ho nti and baby Europe near from the US and then from me nipa hane say all over
yes some
baby abako piano oh na divorce in the church so say similar to outside
divorce award sorry Christopher award
say Pentecostals and charismatics they did divorce Ghana say
sir
say
oh yes some
2 years ago na me nyi ni papa ntim ko ko bisa maybe say KM Kumasi na say correct say na bisa say hade almost counseling enye
counseling no nye
omo force na kan bi na mane say
just omo nya fapem papa enyina so
ni na ma counseling na kasa won dey wi won wo tuberculosis na bobo gun crop any man
won so benya
bi o ma wa dro
samo
experience ni ho bo na 31 or 28 year old
as me a counselor
pastor no shira aware for 38 year old
samo
and go for the premarital counseling hu hia by insurance against future problems and the make am broadcast more joy for insurance so who bank no mo go retreat no mo go here say me go bank bi na Robinson no pana me because or retreat or training course you want to bank for so many years training refresher course you see refresher course no I don't know developed countries in terms they don't allow things to go so bad. Because my student in Holland, there was a lot of I would tell them bricks and kitty. They are maintaining such that one might go bad and say, oh my yam and your pothole, oh my yam and this. Constantly the same with our maintenance of infrastructure. The engineer manage system and so make sure so maintain. So fly plane. We'll stop our drop. We don't say, oh, I am here 1 minute, we'll turn away. What the who from now by our course of this is your land and to you.
So no baby or any set of wish.
It is a business every day one work for. And I take things for granted. Now, pie. We take too many things for granted.
I have a phone.
Yes. And a young people no wants the same thing. I was say fundamental sense of principles and the most grand as the America are born idea. Net other one the over as a gravity. What a tongue you go down. Now, yeah, now what is this law of sowing and reaping? Number 2, you reap more than you sow. So, third law, you reap in a different season. Season 4. To why you know I am coming across because masturbation now. What they call so? Come because a man, man, so your pa. Where they paying castle. When you're insensitive clitoris, you go fire you because a giant great and all day a cry road in the cry. Now, sorry. It's a serious problem. A lot of girls.
Hey, who?
Now, remember premature ejaculation is a problem for a lot of women. Who for 5 hours sorry no money a day. No, 2 minutes a day, 3 minutes a person. It is there. Seriously. And your dad, just a masturbation. Nipa is not involved. It's a way of releasing tension. Now, your friend won't in church. Now, go to my bonnet internet and Instagram, all kinds of places. No. Oh, it's a very serious problem. No, sorry, not a cover room. The junk could be a cover room. Now, toilet 7 or sure I say, and I will spray them. Near console them 21 day fast near the lay hands. No, yeah, polish, your custom minutes, I got this. Until the toilet goes from your shoe, no. And once never them was workers are break. Many of us don't die happy in a good marriage. By the time we are living, no. And many are enduring, not enjoying. And a memano as a butterfly, it was a butterfly on fruit who knew. Utumtokro no kwa, utumtokro. Ufa mango no because also we are for. To say bee, pollinated flowers. No function, no koha. But ya no and anisa bakabum. By the time we free you are we create problems of baby. Na yare. Yamen so born says, I will be there. Yamen a boy you. Hey, you can say what you want. Yamen a boy. Sex is supposed to exchange spirits. Do you know BSS? The Bible says he went in unto her. It is accidents in sumo, cancer in sumo, poverty in sumo, depression in sumo.
Spiritual marriage in sumo.
Yes. You may not believe, but you are joking. Because you go on to believe pa. And you may be brainy as all the aquarium. And we think, sir, and Papua no in Chabua no more, I don't know. One day, and from about you and Bobo from home. Mesha money Pia, near Mamma no years and all one. Money feel bad. There was the Bama confess. Oh, I don't know.
Adom FM.
You are preserving virginity. So go on. No go breaking ya. You know, no violating no cry. No, I say, I will Papa Cabanation. Young upon the word about Bessai. On for so. They cheers them. So the way, what I'm trying to say is that the way people started the relationships, a problem. I say church and one almost starting you. What crowd here mistakes, Nyame still Kaiwo. Because sometimes a lot of the women tell us they wear to obi to coin, Kakrab, a bow out abrochini. Also, me baby away. Then the end, no, or Bafo, about Obicro to come by best run here. About also, or no, be a tontoma, or Europe. So, or the break girlfriend. That's what the break was from. It was some.
And then you didn't a quarter ton to man.
Yes.
No, they are breaking.
As if you are also, sometimes you are here, mentioning got any school, no more in 2 years, no member type of arrangement. Then the pen drive, yes, a possession computer, be a pen drive in and I'm sorry, computer be a possession. Pen drive, yeah, you need to. Everybody, rumor says, oh no, baby to come. Oh no, baby, when I catch up, no cry in the end, no. Girlfriend. I'm a bit too control by the fee. In the end, the marriage breaks.
It's Papa, near Emia and Mamma Kakra say, na, our real no common no mom pebio. And the end, I mom pebio, the on pebio.
Okay,
and then you're mentioning a bemasso be what you
don't understand marriage. And when I'm be the first thing you have to do when you worry pa. Now, we're on the way in our yet. What would tell me in our way and about you? One fear for more, one fear. Obani Beme shy. Nanny say, now, do you know when the soul comes into the sperm and egg? A very serious thing. So, you know, Pan abortion in the money says, so turn back now, you know, a very serious,
a deep,
a sperm and egg, and then a soul to say, very serious matter. Happen in the woman. What's a young couple marry who are unconscious of her? The importance of a woman, serious matter. The Yantias yet. If it's a Beman and Bema, or Banaba, the political correct, once a Sunday woman, when they say young couple no a mistake at the beginning. What do you mean by son or woman? Demons here when Jumano here and what that I was Sunday woman. This is satanic. And we don't want to call it by name because people don't even know, they don't understand. Define marriage well. See, and define a broadcasting, I don't want it. People say, we don't know what you are doing. You must know what you are doing.
Exactly.
Because if you shoot, you don't aim, you won't know when you hit.
I know correct.
What the 20 chop home? No, don't aim at the animal. You won't know when you hit. And the understanding of our warning, I didn't poor examples in our own homes from parents. Oh. So na papa phone teaching mama from what the war has and Eve by. The men have a vision which is a central driving force. Why you marry the woman? I want to send him go the bill, tefrewo. And a car, anytime. Anyone goes in Yamin, you are almost a car, ultimate. Has all arm robber. Not a prostitute, not a brochure for man. And you are not just a righteous. The Christian can ask, no, Yamini Pano, who Jesus Susum Tinamuno, or to be for better harvest. Come, Father. Father is the basis, our Father who art in heaven.
Yeah.
And he understands in Yamina boy. Or the word blessing, the first blessing was to a couple, not a church. Genesis 1:28. The first time the word blessing was used. To a husband and a wife. God bless them. And to move together, you compliment. Also, there are some areas. There are some qualities. Do you compliment and say, Media, what they are also there, media. They come boom. But because they don't do that, they compete. They look down on each other.
So if you're going to be looking down
building character in each other.
Remember. If you are going to be looking down on one another, why did you get married in the first place?
Do they even understand that that is wrong? They think they have come together to have children and be able to have a house and have this. They don't even know what they are doing.
Oh.
They do as a student. Some don't know what they are doing. Or back class no okay. Or try student be a cousin I'm child with US Connecticut baby na boy people say oh yeah see that say na wa bam hofo help. The now for no more years serious and then no more down now. You know if you was in this best school or US. No go for now for and I 1 year serious. And I don't know Namoto Dame, Namoko Ha, Namoto Ludu, Namoko Nomusa, Namoko away, and we now we're intelligent boy. If I know about catch them say, I have some friends, I'm saying we need sanctified common sense. Move away from them and have principles. You're working by circumstances. You work by principles and values.
Yes, absolutely.
Let's say, baby, someone says, what do you mean? Remember example. We have value a clean kitchen. Kitchen clean and smelling good. What are the principles? Don't leave place unwashed overnight. Every Saturday we do thorough cleaning. All the closets, this plates arranged. Then you have principles. You need principles in your life. You don't be able to feel in I'm who you're about something like that. I was a me you'll be able to make a sem. I know I crash be another. Me didn't come on. I said, me the man will bear 8. And I'm so bad. Too sorry, I now was on the same hour. No, didn't channel wife knew on the year.
That's not yet one day. And so my wife
yeah, back now during Kakra from 9 p.m. 10 p.m. because it's 3 a.m. Therefore, yeah, a couple of years now. Hey, mean you now from an abono. Therefore, he sits down and then wonders where he is. See, if you don't know where you came from, you know where you're going.
Exactly.
Is it the 4 great questions of life? Who am I? Why am I here? Where am I going? And who's in charge? And a lot of people don't know themselves. Discover yourself in Christ. Now, parent in your poor. Because that is why you train the child to have a purpose. Oba say you have to teach the children to respect their father. Yeah. One role of a woman, teach the children to respect their father. One role of a man is teach the children to love their mother.
Wow.
Now, if you know who, and this is our papa can say, "Mon can have by 9 o'clock." If you are you all say, "Hey, daddy kind." Then you what's so? Then one father. Then I some love mommy, mommy birthday, mommy have one kitchen. These things are not there from the parents. And then now for I want the 8 flower girls, and I want this one, I want the one also a TV and I say 100 feet long and a car no me Jaguar, I have a 6-bedroom house. If celebrations in idea, no more to the point I get too late now to have fundamentals. That's a problem, and I don't know a changing character. How God uses the weakness of a partner to shape you and make you better.
Wow.
And to me, one or two, that's the one purpose of relationships. The someone you be a woman, Emma, or young partner, weakness. You can never marry, even relationships. How to endure and allow it to develop patience. One of the best people in our society, in Grofa, on one suffering. Now suffering abuses here over your uncle been a cultural chatting and you went through difficulty because difficulty one make you better, not bitter. Not bitter, but better.
Difficulties makes you better.
Yes.
And not bitter.
No.
Wow.
Character is never developed in ease. Character is developed crucible in hard conditions. So you seek. Seek means look for what you don't know yet. Those are 3 levels of prayer. So here Matthew 7:7. Ask is based on promises.
Yeah.
But seek means look for what you don't know yet.
Yes.
It comes only through challenge. There's only Nyankopon headache. I remember be about no pay a little more. The word request in the Bible remind God of what he knows about already. Request. I didn't know Nyankopon name name remind no.
Aye.
Brahana Bible Nyankopon name so opera.
Of course.
He was specific. One guy's mama child. Give me a son, give him, I'll give it to you. Specific, very important in prayer. Pastors Conference, I'm in Kumasi on the 17th, 18th, 19th, and they're going to teach him. That is the theme. Purpose of prayer, power of prayer, and the process. Nyankopon mouth somehow bumpire and I know create a big bunker. It is answer about a shame was some to attack it. On the mountain, a tough of a sailor.
And acquiring
young pepper, pia, disposable diaper, disposable syringe, disposable plates, disposable courtship, disposable relationship, disposable marriages, disposable people. The disposable, yeah. Oh, 2 times 4 crown or you use a calculator. You know what you use our brains.
You see a drain or you're cracking brains, no.
Sinners, upper class in your telephones. Classroom, no, they're too silent, no. But, the business, when do you think for yourself? When do you even think for yourself and plan? After class, no, to phone, or 220 or phone, a whole to vibrate. No, but my time with them, I hear even witchcraft on the internet, and you pay you them. And the parents don't have time, it's money. Oh, when you have VW, Tefrana, or Passat, no, or Jaguar, when you Jaguar, we are, if you pay 1 hour, and will be 17 years, no, January. Obaya ko si me particularly about go for bayre wejura afi ese nya tanka bia for year otema oto aso afi ebe be no pe plane or be ko Jerusalem akọ bompa on Sundays. There is no end to it. You have to end somewhere. And the same spirit nya da ko be bia no be bia na soro be say no hey ya me hwo when no for swa because you do message something mafam he can say limitation. Yes. Can't be fantasy from joy. An opportunity to witness. Can't limitation. So sometimes one nanti abonte idea. A broker sometimes said I could talk on. By it I have to. Have a chance to talk to people and minister to people. Yeah. Sit opportunity. And the training would plan and purpose. The difference you make in people's life is the judgment they answer. And I know deal with sex away. I saw I will call it. Baby, I'll buy business. Elections here. They want a position here. I don't know. Whom did you touch? Show me here in heaven. My books. Now the books are 23. Can you show me here who is here? Where are you making money? Who is here in heaven because of your book? I have to tell God. Now, woe unto me if people are not there, but you sold books. Woe unto us when I'm radio, hope for a family. Every Saturday morning, me announce baby, remember baby, it's on the internet. 5:30, you move on to joy. 5:30 to 6. Oh, God says, can you show me people here? First of all, who are in heaven. Number 2, who was stronger? Who was benefited? How many marriages?
You save.
You see me. You call me. Now, woe unto me if I can't show people in heaven there who are strong or who are there because of a radio broadcast. You see? People will hail you, but I tell you. And this is, people don't have aim. And Yamano, as a boy says here, I never going to hinder on your accommodation. Second one bottom. And now, second one bottom accommodation. And one you want.
A doctor phone.
But pray about it. And cut your coat according to
your size.
A woman's accommodation can be a problem. But most of the boys, there is no more accommodation, a problem. Nesika, na career, a certain standard in the mind, because society a certain standard and indirectly. And you want to start it in a small way. Because you respect to him. And people to push him. That's not because James, a lot of the man can't be a man to go. Oh, me I said to cry. Or took on your visa, Mausan, me. Mamma,
Etiefo ya papa Dr. Kisi Eduna no pay yetene nkan ya ma me Joanna Kofi so ha e be ko mama hono no so e de kakra aka ho ne asan ba papa o na mo papa ka bibi sesi ase eya na enipa mana yetimu no ahihye eye asetena na tina bia bi asa won wantimi anhya ase amfi wane che say asa wo de nipa no kra ye kwa wo nka ho say we ye wedding in a certain way with decoration in a certain way what are the say ye style bi ne ade but bible say empo say we wahyasia ye kitwa bi no we wie ye be ye dan e be ye kokoro enu ti se e bo modern ahyase ehua na toya dwene mu ese nya de obi ye na obi ya na wo fa ho ntoto obi na wo de kakra na wo no be ma wani aso na wani age na wo de no ahye wabra bwa wade ase a me hwa nkom se e be kwa wie ye no de oni konkron start ye no wo hwe na di adane wa de kakra bi start ye na wo de na nyini na de oni konkron start ye no wo de kobio ade wa start ni konkron enti aso akoso aye ni konkron wa enti me pe na dia begu. And it's yes, content. Let's be content with the little that we have. Oh, already we are mabo. Let's see, and what's it? Now, do mo yen, na boy yen, and to say, dear, baby, I can't come. Eh, Madwana, that means I was so samba. Oh, Madwana.
Yes, my queer.
And Mr. Papa Cassani, what mine pa?
Said when
he
said he's over 35 years in marriage. Wakobi.
And Aquarius,
so Yamiadum over 22 years.
Also,
Timidinachi member. Aye. Or do sister, may do 65. 80 make we our real go name
our real some
baby
what's a be what in some man
but mostly no it's the foundation sir like that so for be share warriors so the topical you so you mean baby the free buy also for nyamicha and then nyamia why chairman na topical you see or say insem bebre and no quote from Job. Na me bo hu say papa inka Job asempo de anka yanka na ware ase.
Bi.
Na wo hwe nsem a papa ne kan fiti that time no. Me fa no ba ko. And that ensem bebre no ma me hu say aware mu nsem.
Eye
bebre mekua. Se we hu nyansa wontu me ware. Sam nyame ama wo nemude. Na wan bre wo asie nsue mfiri hu konkron wa. Esansa warrior pen institution na wo komwa ye de kan ama certificate afi adesua ben na wo kosua bio de aka no ya momienu no ne wo besua na wo de bia kire wo kunu ene ne oberema na oyetire no obesua na wo de bia kire wo mofra no ene mofra no na eno no na se yenya santi ase we amfa nkwenko wura safie ketwa enemu a mekwe obon se nipa mienu na efie kakraka bi omutimu no omunkom na meama just say medwen ho a sometimes the understanding is very very difficult because and then no what are the reasons ntia obebeka say okoware and then na push nipa no bebre societal pressure we ya ware enti minso se me ware enti ahoprepre na ode kwaware na se bia na time delay kakra so whoever comes on board no ese so no ni tu anamo na one nipa ni tu anamo no obebisa se e de ben search na between omo ho no omutumi yeye e de ben steady na onyafa ne partner na obeware no ehun wenya because this time no on pese bass ni betu eja no ena bebre nsusu a omunya bass ni ye at the right time a ebia wenyi amro so ena oware ye nyame ye nadom obebisa se entity e ben no fam aware model ben why no share ne so because and then akwese divorce no adoso nti ye mo bebre ne ye fi single parents and chain ena ye kware enti ye nsua ware no mpo enfrifie say ya yetime ne be matena eye adema be ma enemoti
na chese nka fundamentals na papa kan no enka se wutimi hu fi wo maame ene wo papa na wosua na so de bia kɔbɔ wo bra ba de wosua fi wo ho na kasa de enye
mekwe that is the dangers are started from me no me maame and papa yes they divorced amoni awariase but fortunately for me no my father's wife, my stepmom, she was a very good woman. And so I learned a lot. This woman, sometimes me papa nebi. But mama, me mama to me kojum. Sometimes it's here for me yaman kama minute. A desk anyone. Or to me yan want to say those days na kaya yo. And also say. Or kwaswan your man. Unfortunately, because ocean height and in the stature won't to me for on your man so ano.
Annie. Ne
sesa. Ni obeya ebema na wari ejina no bintinenka ni ebeya ebema ne mai didi ame a obintinenka nti ode ne honam eko eji awari ni jina na eno na boama ye ne manyina so mekua na nyame adom yeti awari ho a ye nyina ye enjoy wobebisa say sa endurance no ene mahin
ebi
ene wo bi first be ma bi to me ware nwotwe menka say ye enye otimi ware nwotwe enso man ni nyina betena ho ekosi se sebe ebia papa no obefrim ene bibi kitwe bi osemeko bibi kakra bi meko me mame ho bibi kakra bi ose de bi na ode ne ho akobo ne namfofo minimere bi a waware a make just 6 months.
A sad story.
6 months.
No very sad.
E kapa ye bo waware no ho a enkrofo e ba waware na se ababa one friend na ka say ra what enkrofo time wo she parcels sir omunyaye eso just 6 months and then na kofa baaye be man say oba no endi say omodan na omotimu no oni mo asese be man koka oba na no katikati say ne ma me fie no nya ono e no osiesie ho enti say opese obisiesie ho they should bring in a third person house help. And a bearman so said, no. Say house help buy your fear her. A bearman yentem assassin or send na baby a better team draining.
Hey,
very wonderful.
And your sister no on so jina na so.
On page your man
ye na ni hwe.
On page enti na maybe son say na me de bearman no bearmu. Na bearman e kan nsem ma mekua edoso.
Eya homete. Mama me tumofo amuntie o. E mayu amaba. Ye tumofo amuntie. No oba wani onyam so waware ne okunu nti wasomdue mu. E wo nyamesuro mu na emafura nyame adom momma na awurade de mu kom animu na anije wo ho ese busua ni nyina anije. Asafu kokura wo anije. Enso ne maba wotu wo mfo amuntie.
Oye juma owoni sika kakati
Ampabo bi na ba na te se troubles no no mo gina so mo na ma no kutukutu se ya ama ha mu donko ne de nam aduane no akura bi nim no ya ana omre no ho asensunsua e de asem ne akura
na we konya be ma ono wonya botra ma o se yenye ne nkakra oto fa ha na wonso ato asi hanom enti na che se edede nkakra na most of times mekua obebisa se omo amfa council mu ye papa kan ye counselors nan kasa ye council nkrofo ye be ware omo so kra no bebisa se edebe training papa na sa counselors eni sebio ye papa no masofo nketewa ya asase a wo council shira ware su wobisa se identity and nipa bia ye kobe as a psychologist I always say your temperament and they make a difference. It is a when who partner no ne temperament or what no one stressing more on the strength not when who the weakness and just any weaknesses no be boano na say would di say ne pay say na memepe and to say na me expect say
na society no enso so ka ho ene ma ware guoba ana nipa ne mie no mo wawade no ma no mo ma wade ne gu
society ne ka society ne ka but ne kese no ejina nipa mie no so esan se mo mie no motumi gina mo nan so a no third pressure can separate you but se mo mie no nankasa no mo hihim wonsuo nani a eframa ebe bo no ebe
ka mo ahwe na che se fundamentals ni ho into the foundation no
very weak.
Auntie Joanna, mami try me home emrawate. Mami try me na mami kan me message see kakrapa. Yenua Teresa Pokia or say good morning. And Jupiter, oh, you say lab no ha. Jupiter Evans, and also so on your say a lab one or DTA. Wisdom. So no, or say good morning, Mami Kuya. And now Matilda Ashley Ama. I say good morning, Michael Anaba. I say good morning, Lord. Good morning, loud and clear inside. And then Kobe Creative. Oh, okay, at Gallery. Who Papa Tadi. Okay, Yanko. So I was watching you live. And FA Yenu Bema. I'm also my thumbs up, Victor. And FA. Gillian, Gillian Woko, my thumbs up. Poku James, I said good morning, Ghana. And FA Yenya Josie, I also say hello, Josie. No, I say good morning, mommy. Major so Basta. Edin Ben, Basta. Edin, I watch you say, now I'm not papa the two. I watch you, I mean to be crying, boy. Me humble. I did Kinsley or say good morning. David also say or say have a good day. Or say I'm really enjoying the program. Blessed Sun, 2 p.m. Mampong. Or say or if you Ashanti Mampong Ashanti. Or say I'm really enjoying the show. Keep it up. God bless you. And at 2 p.m. na de buy. I said Nyakumbi good morning Asan baby. Mercy Ewa. I said good morning. Mami Kuya, I'm watching you live. Oh, New Jersey. I say yeah, Jumapa. Yankos near Jumano. Vivian obeying so the near Papa. And I say, or Vivian said, my Joanna ne. Dog can be Biam was crazy. And already do Kweku, Ayensu, also say good morning. Jamina Clement, also Mami Kuya. Good morning. I'm listening to you live at Kasua. I love my wife and I wish her a speedy recovery. Recovery. Why are there? Or say or Donayeripa from Pond Edward. Or say I'm from Pond Edward inside Sakumono. So I'm watching you live. I also say I love the show. Nana Sempe. Or say a nice show, mommy. Keep doing the great job. You ever samba? Your messages no so. Ebi was so yan kan ebe ba so. Na emom no me twa me oketu abi. Na me mra na me nan mani hwe Dr. Kisiedu, Dr. Samuel Kisiedu. Na fe no okoso am yan kyekire no. Na nte Joanna do de abom me na ye bie phone lines no e de atomo ama etiefo adofo. Na wo so so etime de wo ma adwen kyere. E de aba monua ba ma mekua e na motime nkan ai. O fra me genge man so a mejo so gengeshos mejoso gengelity mejoso gengelistic mejoso ni nyina bi wom na say asire e wan enti e ba sisi adofo ye ba menko ba bia
Adom FM
Tiefo, winche kutuku kai wo yima ye. Ye sentwe ni owo bia asem yesi na okase yi. Osin sakraye bi koso enya gokra.
Yo, tiefo, nyamuti ye nyira ye dokre. Eye aduane mu sakraye a na ekoso.
Aduane sakraye. Na de na mafo kafa ho.
Ani se Makocho bars, restaurants, if you won't crowd room, and a crossing in a near Mafo Kenny. Anopa, in Crofonia Jet, and Musakaya by Hopa.
Na, Ediane de Sansakray by
Onga keeps in tra. Says ya median be say a jollof, watch it, fried rice, contom refroye, a young quine, a prepansana cook for yimpo, a mana yakona, oh, bien to me conya. Nyomo can say, as a so who can grow for Yanawa. Says you go if you be a moi, near my for whom put one of the year, Diani, Onga shrimp cues.
Now what's the Viashe? Hello, whoa,
Onga, ye mammy boafo. Hey, ya, Mamma Shawn Sanuku. She has a chop when you mean Maufiano. So, what's in trouble? Another quarter of rain, and look, my dear, such or trouble. Darling, where the ring out the shammy dada, any other jewelries? earrings, chain, bracelet, and the keke kahono. And one of me that's use it. Hono swa jewelry wipes, and na me de pepa ho. E yifi biye free ho. Me nko to jewelry for. You don't mean it. I'm telling you. Hono swa jewelry wipes, every America, a dry, a disposable, airful, se makeup. Enkun efifiri anen futuro eba wo jewelry ho a wo de fa ho a na yifi ni nyina e ma ne te shen e wo jewelry shops mo pe bie no 0244 606 500 ana 0244 531123 kono so jewelry wives wo jewels be shine
Trustem say, Obeka Sempano, Ewiase, Eddie, Amamano, Adansi, and Sana Avieno Abba. And Unti, and I was a Uti and Quadrisem a free apostle, quarting out that bride of Christ, a sorry anno. Quesida we and Quesida Bia, Brabo and Opanuncia Apaimu, Ewadon, 106.3 FM. So, now our Brabo Bessa, she the bride of Christ, a sorry Chiaquine, Ewa Accra, Madina, Lanquanta, Red Co Flats, Fitting Shop, Nutrian Mupe. More tema, any Ashaman, so, Ubemuye, Ewa Ejekuju, Ashanti Farms Quine. Ye bang agri school no Frey Apostle Quartin e was 0244 699266 Yami asum green count
Hepa mesha usunumbi
Arafo dog show me awasre ane enkomo bi koso ha Arafo anya easy o mind wanna say and now wadefo ibi e wesi ni part time o makoto lazy makoto krochia na dia osika nke bia na ye bibi foforo no na dia kosiesie o semede ko wedding na enche ni ahena wedding awade yegu na ma wo lazy so anim agu ase enti na nke wan kotokura na nke ye anamboa e ye o hawasam na emne emaba wa no entimi emre ye ho ase ye pese ani ye kunum no rabo shoulders and I will be say, and I mean, I'm a coba, and I'm a bibia, Beman will fear on your shimmer bounce and chancing go, Bebana center, and then the old tree chance him on Jumudia, and I crash and son in a year in a can still or banning Tiasse, into a banning and Namusubiase, or Munukrebio. Or Becky Cancer, and said, Papa, says a wabber count you. Or you didn't the idea maintain, think I mean, Yam or you didn't sumra. Nemum Kakaya Mati, Gran, or you in a bar, me who the Nisubaya for. Emma ni so tetini wie hu se wa ye wo ba na wa kwa de bible es ma ye nye e wo ya wade ase na bia na onyante ase o ti ase wi a afeni abedi asem papa
Wait, mama, very, very quickly.
Yeah, no quick, mama.
The latest book, last year, 20 major signs marriage failing. Anyway, you can get copies. Challenge bookstore. Actually, at the end, the numbers.
20 major signs.
I just say I want to go.
I just say I want to go.
Worry, share. Not prepare home for the science. What want to say? Nedikano. So we can. I me instead of us. We mutuality. A kamu boom. Then it's a sign to show our individualism. I don't like my lifeline. Me. Let's just say 1 year. Don't know you're weak. That doesn't mean poor communication. Communication is the blood. It distributes nutrients in the heat near the nina. There's a body a cold. No one feeding with nourishing words because Adam now once on a banner by. No man would try arm and a chair. Or a band by a woman and your chance any single even 5 minutes. Adam. And success in life. A study of a man speaking words, encouragement, affirmation to a woman, to the hearing of God. Sanga Adam rejecting Eve and got a big problem for God. I don't know what to happen. They are going by faith, not in the by. Not by naked. Women were naked. They were only God conscious, no one is self conscious. And they were covered by the glory of God. Can take Rafa to change. Only one took a name, yes, one year restored. They were covered by the glory of God. Only God conscious, not self conscious. Jordan and by faith. Now I'm sure no see, yay, bone of my bone. First thing of my mobile, I'm not casade. Bemont to me and I'm no shame crying. Say, I'm okay. Got on 50 minute dishwasher of you. I took it upon myself. Cause on no near the other, once a while, I cry here and there. No, always a lot of washing or yet. Now, I'm folding them from the brassiere to the pants to the charger. Yeah, didn't
I'm body enough fine.
Senior ma, where one first, Michelle was, I know, Obesino, I'm pitching in okay, Meso, when and I wash a brazier and the turbo a black amune. Was it women share you on Wacosino? You copy each other. I had to put away my master's degrees, my PhD, my everything. Decide to imagine winning my 12. Now, my yes, you are my guide. And this is to Mamma and Cockles in 5 minutes. Learning by doing me, your mad was a mystery. No, you know. Yet the personal human mind, you know, and yet they say, no, even anything at all, internet, John Conosun, Yeti, and we don't learn. It's the blood, it's the life of relationship. Life means a new swaba, something grows. There's a love no grow. And I tell you, it's a currency, correct? And enrich. Because I can't, if you are no. And that's what you have to do. Oh, yes, Adam, you have to garden one. Now, go more new plantain, cocoa yamniadi, or your boundary. Life started success as boundary. Bema, oil leader, only boundary. No, actually, boundary or banner, but within your boundary, no. Unto me, Bema. Some things you don't do. When we are husband, we are wife, elected official, who can say Domso, we can say books, we are professor. Know your boundaries. So life started as boundaries, what you should do and shouldn't do. I don't know, so Adam sort of one day or question. Now go cut beyond the gardener. And the number one, you make sure, and if poor communication, you know what is happening. Sometimes grass often grab no ABC, we don't know what is going on. Then it's romantic intimacy, meaningful love making. Oh, love making is meaningful. Now, romance means attitude towards lover. My sex or romantically. To expert says there should be one very good love making a week. Doesn't mean do it once a week. But there's no fast good sex. To bunan dia corona nema you find the two of you feels when we finish we are in each other. Now the holy nema no banadi. We gossip, we waste time, we are stubborn. But I who say holy. Unromantic women who had no pupu no to konechi. Of you are no asabe one and no preko. Omiene no mama emano. Didn't you answer more and a memano so. When they don't have time, they have sex only on their terms. On your paranoia, benefit on here. Your primary organ for sex is your mind. You want to say, we are doing it. You enter the person because you went in onto head. Good stubbornness. Stubbornness, about what a young man, okay, no trust. What trust I want to try together. You must learn to forgive. So often, I owe you trust. You owe me forgiveness. When I saw the chimney. Now trust and idea the market. Trust me. It's a certificate. No sharing. Oh, now the man is as your sacrifice. A kaya back. Now I say for taxi. I can say, oh, we are woman for taxi. No, for 2 cars. No, you should take the taxi and let the pregnant wife take the car. You see, those things are not taught because Obama number Obama your follower. Obama say follower. You papa mommy, you way mommy. Do this for me. Obama cook kitchen. Which is wrong. Because I'm pretty high baby I'm cooking as I say. Number one was what you papa be or tea anymore. I say hey mamre. Oko garden of it in your bathroom to the kitchen tree. Yes, you sit down here, you are by manco. Obama was saying. I never call your bad desk or work kitchen, what Serrano. The wire program in London. Nigeria, my maybe frame. My brother, thank you. They only couldn't pay for us all. Thank you. My husband, 32 years. He did something you never did before. And I'm saying, man, what did your husband do? When you taught us, you visit your wife in the kitchen. Some example say, Makosha, Wako, Abo 11. We are director. You don't know what manager is doing. No. Let's think my no just stove him. Because straight to the sink, I say thank you. Courtesy. No who I say thank you. And then just every day, Manus start here. Man, you my own.
Open more.
And I'm a chiban or stove on him. And I'm a challenge. That me want to crack. You know, and I'm fine with you.
I found you.
And my is on your DNA. Then you could have. See, my husband never did that for 32 years. What did you? Oh, God bless you. Look at how you talk for the family. God bless you. Was the first time in 32 years. Christian brother Penny. What about kitchen? Where general kitchen? God bless you in the kitchen. It was a goal to the woman. Well, what tell me? What do you hear? When your Bama would do it? No, so me. What is wrong with it? What kind of romance? Are you going to write second book of romance? For romance here, you mean? No sharing, no love and affection. 5 things that just Odobi. My welfare, my interests, my needs, my rights, and my opinion. So who take a decision before you tell me? And now should I every time I mean to make a no now you don't love me. 3 ways of showing love. You say it, you do it, you behave it. The way you behave when I ask you, I don't know why late. You talk to me to say, come on. It is opposite to the Valentine white car. The flowers near everything, you know.
Papa.
And you tell me you love me. You say it, you do it, your behavior, homework. Me go na me parent teacher meeting. Me every piano say you love me. We will love near 5 bedroom and jewelry and there's to come by a woman with gifts. Or emotional creature, a woman in Yanida, or don't suffer a nufunzumi and me answer mango, miano with wisdom. And don't because I know the man who has sorry. There emotions.
Yeah, be a phone lines no at here for. Yeah, part doctor to see do not pay. Or chess at the China bros so yeah, mammy Joanna so ha, and also Nedia bros so. Now, yeah, me phone lines neck I can't Joanna. Yen see at the 4 at here for no so kakra. Never no. Yes, I'm Ras Studio near me bon toffa. And the numbers near 0302 2165 61 and 0302 2165 62. Wait me afre me. Ya wo studio head your fra. Ya bejo so na yetimi ene wo atwetwe enkomo. Anope obi also. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me papa Ben, uban mobile money to ama ye bre na ye break akra.
Stop na make us say.
Ayo, so kwame anope.
No pay the dama se pa so say. No me our yem introdie. You say the good ye dia no so a be ma ye dia na ye. The way our yem man. Yes, everything me be pray. Ni ko no bi na. Me say adwuma. Na yi ni say adwuma. Ni awa de ni de. Na yi sta o nyame.
Amen, papa. Nyankopon o nhira won so. Won so betimi afre me. Pa kwesi we. O ya asemu. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my baby.
Me pacho me nua be ma be ni na afrefi.
I'm a different point. Me free down so much.
You are penny free pon. Ya ma wakwaba.
Yeah na. My baby, papa no wakasa pa o.
Anya kasa ne keke o si ade ye adwuma na no so hia o.
Ade ye adwuma no. Meka bibi kakra. Yesua de free ye ma me no ho, ye papa no ho. So na bra yesua de free mo ho no yenka ye mema na ye mba no yenka hu se ye kwa ware mu so a sa pepepe na ye de ewo ho. Oh. Enti no se wo de oba betina oni be ma be de e betina no muti dan ba kum asa ware fo no e ho num na issue ni ye de ewo. What you say? A hot number issue nankasa de o because ye twempra no ebia na oba me nchen matomempa kama oba no nim se a medi mi huni ye ware ya ye kopsa dan no menya sa ade ni biem me de ade to ha ana no de ade to ha no se a na efra ye da to entitam bia na se entokwa eye dei e wo honom kakra me kanono.
Say, awesome, and one and no so she say, if you why I shed a shine who ye, and I was to be crana near the Subano ete, it was to maybe near the Subanete. Hello, good morning. Morning.
Good morning, mommy. Vacho. A friend with you, philosopher.
Yo, Tio. I no pay it to you. Why?
Oh, I mean, I'm be brave. Now, the professor may be sounding say, I told me, beer.
Oh, to your line, I can't say. Also, bet me up from 0302 2165 61. Hello, good morning. Good morning, oh.
Good morning, Mama. I pump to say,
yes, what do more? Aqua Baba sitting up a dream.
You from Edate, Kufudian.
Me pacho yo, yeah, that's it.
Mpugano, Yamin Bibre. Na, say, I wanted the Tiasiani Odo. Any warrior. Inti, near say, I wanted for the woman Tiasie, any other from my own, near ense se udwin ma endwin emu unukun adwin nya baako abibia bekoso asumdwe mu minima ware minima yire ya ware 30 years now yenyina ya account baako aden ntiase nti
no kre why ade nyame koso ama mo fie ni bi nka ho ne odo wate
amen
yeah that's it. Hello, good morning. Hello morning yo eja mo akwa baba setina padwumadi eso me mo akwa baba setina padwumadi eso
amadwuma me wo fe rapu ne pao de waka nyina ya kire se emema ne bi dwa yenu mu dudu so bi dwa wenu mu be ka samwan akase na woka nti oba ne pa no be mu ze de woka no anya yi a no so jimi de o how bawo nti ya nkukure wo singiri room akase mo singiri room enko kase wo se contain o ya ta oba ne so be mu na ene ya na de sa no mane
na ma odonate ko
nti yan kanukure nukure ne dia oba no hu de so yi nko ntompo ni yi na itutwa ni ade no do so do bye
Mate, yeah, that's Papa. Be for a very last call. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, you, my first lady.
Right here.
But Auntie.
Good morning, ma. If I your program is as a man and yeah, mommy. Mommy, if I show you, my opinion be a come person and a cassa, so you be a mommy. No,
Hama, Joanna, what?
No, was saying, sir. I was ringing me, my worry is you doing. Now, so, mammy, me too, see, when you might be brave. Me see who to see a make us say. And you might be brave, shall me Sophie say, you might be brave, who I mean, who tell me I'm so true, my worry. Me cool, mammy, how be out. Now, so me who tell me too, see when you might be brave. Miss Sermon. The person make it come near me see any. Yeah, booming who cry and say, Mamma, woo. A choir may fast with a two. Because the name of Coy, Mamma, Miss Sermon, is no bofful.
Yeah, maybe ye what ye will have so what ye the number no betuja. Why?
I'm sure, ma.
Emme, ye the number no betuja wunti and me so me the media betuja bi what?
I'm sure,
Papa, a kwa America, Naja. Majina na name, my Joanna Suni who are no Majina na name. What's it? I mean, count. A very last call, you bear some man whom it say, well, say, or sneak no money, how about on one here more. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Messia.
Mammy, queer.
Upon
yes, what drum. You,
Messia, my son and piano pin. Now, men better as Medjaya, my worry for 15 years. Na mesrel me pese me hu doctor
ma radio volume ni nko for mama why
to you me pese me hu doctor na send your advices say yi na me hu no one on one na me ka bibi no on church me kwan bi se na me fa so a
mate ordinary number betu dwa sesi a na wafa why nti pa pen no paper ready na on fan to dwa sesi a papa em say yem fa call bia bio eno nti no yen fa call bia bio eno nti papa em say o do number ne betu dwa na afi no
0276 322 982 0276 322 982
was that Bobio
0276 322 982 once I come here for 020 812 6533 020 8126533. When books reading now, this is a books 923. There's a book on leadership coming out on Monday. Leadership. Or call Challenge Bookstore or call these numbers. As well 020 near a hotline for a ministry. There are other things.
Yo, Madwana. Graceland Academy is so cosy.
Graceland Montessori. Yami Adom. You go so. Nti yekoso ato nsafre awofo eni abatan ye wola ne teshi tebibia no bema camp wa ukuta nkwala nkete wa wo pe obi ni papa pe so mu no fanabra Na ye da form cool.
Graceland
Montessori. Where we use grace to prepare for excellence. Enti ye tun safra about time. Na anope me number me de betuja. 0244 585261. 0244 585261.
Na obia wo hia say or then
baba no make last week minya calls baby unfortunately baby about 70% sika crofwa intimate for want to say be adwuma adum na obia friend na mama sika aya
hometse
sika sana ya problem na yesrenya
me bia na nipa no so obi
yesrenya me say obeboa ye nyina itiefo nyina na me de me last week that me de ka ho na papa kind of latter part me de pa ne the way on na yere kasa and mama it is very true. I'm a practical example the way me kunu ne me kasa no masa wo de wo kon si for mama no kra na enti se ye ni ye ho kasa yi a kasa de ya so ye
obu kasa ahombrase kasa
we love that sweet talk enti se wo pesa wo ni oba tena ye se bosuma no obetena che no e no che na chiwade wo pesa wo ni oba tena cha mani hu de ede enye sika o ma yempe sika yempe but woni oba kasa yi a
odo ye de sinsika na sabini ni mind na wa
and I'm also pen non-sexual touch.
Exactly.
We are the two. So many wives say, okay, but before I buy you so and sabon pie. Or bathroom come in case I don't go back home.
Yes.
And I dump my intimate card and we put them demonstrating with TV so. Not sabi or the tono at Wayase. Now the national anthem. Now the suffer under the armpit. Now the some after the armpit at two new for me so no tell no more for more hallelujah.
Amen.
Now what touching only when you're going to make love.
It's very bad.
Yeah, two. For some for the cheap. During the day, friend. Once a while, it's now man. Standing ovation, mommy will join you. Then I mentioned as I transit before the children. Standing ovation for mommy at the dinner table.
Exactly.
Now, I am the phone. One day, pensioning in Chinachum. The same way I already any be bon carry. Coffee di bacopra because the second. If you first of all, the language is even bad. Open your mouth, African man. Let the honor a man also respect ye here. Now say, yeah, sometimes we emotion but one. But Sanamote, I say a tombo. The only way to change your man, one in Casaboko, Mr. Ramo, Ephesians chapter 5. If it's 23 to 27, when you must mean so, you know, in France, we are bishop, we are overseer, we are pastor, we are deacon, we are elder,
whatever.
Be matter. You fall in love with the personality,
yes,
but you live with the character. When you need partners in a shower, when you humanity.
Mate, I be saying, you pass Samuel Dr. Kisiedu, Abishra and Papa. Only my me Auntie Joanna Abaka Kofi as usual, and Omo Bishra. Now, Mefa Kwenye Sunamanda, Onmas Papa, sir, your tones are from mobile. Doc Bessan baby, a tear for among your master Besamba, and want to know, and assistant Pedro no Asia. They mo make I will say, Sir, Hunam to two, Ebia will trap his muscles, no, a chili bremono, one woman was Saswa. What you want, baby, I will sano it's me, don't penny pejano. A hoya we ya uquenchi to two, sissy ya dear, and now pono, will help you in the pedian, my bra body breaks. Body breaks, Bibianya medical, dear bra, you be massage you fine. Na ya chon, say a lymphatic drainage yet bemau, say yes, Swedish massage na wope, ya the so ebemau, ya Indian head massage. Just say, the old purpose ye ni pedian, my facials, ya be nail extensions, Bibia upebia, ya be ya mabuana and nasi tata, in so tata and nasi, when you dima, oh dear bra, ya be draining so on top of the lymph nodes. I'm an in at me, I think, Eddie amount, our body breaks. Body breaks Watermark Community 10. Body breaks at Watermark Community 10. Opposite Kenke Junction. Opposite Kenke Junction. And it's if number is 0267 720 486 0267 720 486 ane na efre na any director no ho no entwetwe nkomo na efe de opese ye bia no obekyerekyerew eho akwankyerew ani echi na pese wo yio bibia pese wo shape wo eyebrow bibia pese wo ye bia corneum beautify wo ewo body breaks ewo tema community 10 na ye nua ba na ofre ye no so me de me number atudwa se obetimi afre me na ye nyina ye ne na didi nkomo me number ne 0244 340 466 0244 340 466. Mechia me sofu penny, sofu Joseph Danzel. One ne hoka for ye maame Dorcas Amadanzel. Mechia won pa e wotema community 4 Church of Pentecost. Ane hoda mo maame mesom. And efe mechia me area head Apostle Matthew Labi Wete. Apostle Matthew Labiwete, on the hoka for Mama Lizzie Labiwete. Mechia Osofu ye Pastor Pong, Pastor Alex Opon Community 12. Pastor, and then Asandi Oye Shirama and Papa Yanko Pong on Shirao. Pastor Pong, Yamin Shirawate, and they all come to 12 Assembly. And now, near me area Mama Nankasan, Tema area women's leader, Mrs. Charity Kuwonu ono ani kunu enso na oyetema area deacon ani intimechi ono ne ho kafo na fema bechia eyemia me presiding elder me nko me presiding elder elder Stephen Bwediamoa tema community 4 English Assembly ye da wase papa ne se ne osi ade entity ye e nam yemu na si koni ai ye papa presiding ne yire no comfort Bwediamoa me mamoache anopai na me can say na chese me nyame nwie ya ne sa me chia me mama Martha mama Martha mama nke motu no ke wenche ogba o ke ona monolo ebehi entino mama Martha me ma emoni adwuma pa area no mu adwuma wabọ mama me se nyame ma nkwatentin o na ya maame no ya maame Gloria Dennis ono ya assistant area women's leader Mrs. Gloria Dennis. Mama Glo, Yankopon shall ate. And then as I'm been on wife, what I should never tell say, hey, man, no. And when Timonia ba my power and sa, Bedi Jamo. Now, me sorry, so ye quay ye. Tema community 4 ye kakra, ye babe mua bako, na or a year hole in heart, ibi. When ya almost 19 years. Na Yankopon aton safre no enti ye kopa di eye anopai eno nti obi a wutie mi bia ment na fie mu nyina momra na yankwohwe ye banachi esanse o ye member pa ye choreography ye group no kura no san ka ho eno nti no ye sremo mu nyina mamu ntrate na fie momra na nyina konkoboa emabusua no re enchichi ti ye ko site 7 na ene yakope ye ba padi ekura bill eno nti no makramo Pakwesi wa ha me producer ne Pakwesi agye me pa but men ka hwe na asenso wa ha ne na asenso atwa me atom kree na sese mo sa mo brack so mo brack abegina machi ye nidwa ene mo ye nen mo recordo mo ombeba o hima we obeba o ene na me sori na mabo hima din so dia ene mo nko the ice bar e one industrial area ha hima wo ye jem tu chema wate and me na hofo bi mfi America almost me yankwanso na me nase ye me ya na mo chese live man no twam na ase hima wadua ne ka fom wate me se wo nyame hira wa no me nkwa bam na bi enwuma no na obi obetu na ni esi hu bia no jajaja nye den enhye no jajaja enhye no Adom FM. One of fans. Therefore, but media kwai. Yami adwa da sende. O de chen ibisia. On come home. No mo nyina ho ban. E wo Yesu di mu. Amen. Almost me mom number no. 0244 340 466 0244 340 466 66. Na egu so ye program sin nyina no. Eye NPP for conference na mo ye okofodua no. Eduru bre a honsam ne ba e beto afidie so na etiefo nyina so etime ehunu ne ekọ e wokofodua ni